Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload a full picture on Facebook and make it your profile pic if you want. So if you currently only have your phone and you want to set a new profile picture on Facebook, whenever you use the Facebook app, you notice that it downscales the picture or crops it, and then it doesn't look full and as nice as you want it to be. But there is a different way that you can still use your phone to upload a full-size picture, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that right now. So to get started, you want to use your browser. So don't use the Facebook application for this. Go ahead to Safari if you're on an iPhone, or Google Chrome application if you're using Android, and then search for Facebook into Google. So make sure to open up the website and not the application, even if your phone asks sometimes that maybe you want to use the application. So make sure to open a new tab and then use Facebook from your browser directly. Log into your account and then head over to Profile. After that, scroll down a little bit and create a post. If you want to set this as a profile picture, you can change the visibility option to make it only me, so that when you post this picture as a normal post, only you can access it and then you can delete it later if you want. So now you can simply open up the picture and then tap on the options and make this as a profile picture. And what this does is that it's going to make the picture your profile picture, obviously, but then it's going to keep the scale and it will be uploaded fully. So it's not going to be cropped or downscaled, which is what normally happens if you want to post a profile picture using your Facebook application. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if it helped and fixed your problem. If you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future videos.